Hi friends, I am so happy you stopped by today. In today's video, I am going to be taking down all of my fall decor as well as doing some cleaning. So if you have fall decor that you need to take down, or maybe you have cleaning that needs to get done today, I hope this gives you the motivation you need. And if you enjoy these kinds of videos, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new. I would love to have you, and let's get started. I will start in my family room, and this is the room where I put out the majority of my fall decor. And as much as I absolutely loved having it up, I have to say I am ready for it to come down. I am just so excited to begin decorating for Christmas, and it helps to have a blank slate to work with. But I'm curious to know, when do you guys plan to start your Christmas decorating? I know I heard from some of you that you prefer to decorate after Thanksgiving. I probably will start either next week or the week after. I think this is the earliest that I have been in the mood to start Christmas decorating. Usually I don't feel this much excitement so early on, but I am ready, and I've already been collecting all kinds of ideas over on my Pinterest. Speaking of, I just created a Pinterest account for my YouTube channel, so if you guys are interested in checking it out and seeing what pictures I've been gathering for my Christmas inspo, I will leave it down in the description box for you guys to check out. I've designated a closet upstairs just for all of my seasonal pillows, so that is where those are going. And as far as the rest of the fall decor, I keep those stored in bins that we keep down in the storage area of our basement, and I try to keep them in either blue or gray bins. That way I know they're separate from the Christmas decor, which I keep in green and red bins. I've said this before, but our house gets dusty so easily. It is a never-ending chore, and here I'm actually shaking the dust out of the garland pieces. I'm gonna go back over and vacuum the floor, so don't worry. But I know my table looks nice and clean in this video, but I promise you it was so badly in need of dusting. We even had our house vents cleaned out, and in hopes that that would help, and unfortunately it really didn't make much of a difference. And we also get dog fur in our dust because our dogs are really heavy shedders. So instead of just wiping that fur around, I figured I would vacuum it up first and then go back over with a dusting cloth. I recently received this gorgeous rose bouquet from a company called Rose Forever. They are based in New York, and if you follow my channel, then you may have heard me talk about them before, but I am highly impressed with their bouquets. They actually sent me a bouquet about a year ago, and it still looks fresh as the day I got it. I'm so impressed with it. They recently reached out to me and sent me a new one. This video is not sponsored by them, but they did send me this bouquet free of cost. This is the Passion Crystal Ivory bouquet if you're interested. I love the acrylic case it comes in. It even has a drawer that pulls out, but they have bouquets that come in various sizes from 9, 16, as many as 36 roses per box. They have round shaped boxes, roses, square shaped. They have a variety of colors, but I love that all of their roses are 100% natural, fresh flowers. They're preserved using natural oils, and they will last up to a year. They gave me a discount code to share with you guys. You can get $15 off your order. Use the code Kathleen15. I will list it down in my description box as well as their website. But guys, go check them out. You will not be disappointed. Plus, their prices are very reasonable compared to some competitors. So with Christmas right around the corner as well, this would make an amazing gift. Some of the stems I actually use year-round, so those stems that I know I'm going to keep using, I like to have on hand when I need them, so I will keep them stored in the hutch in my dining room. But while I'm thinking about it, I wanted to mention to you guys that I am finally planning on doing a Q&A for you. So if you are interested in that, send me all of your questions. You may have seen me prompt you for questions on Instagram as well as my the community tab here on YouTube. But if you missed that, feel free to leave your questions down below, or if you'd rather direct message me on Instagram, here I will link the or I will leave my handle here. But definitely send me all your questions. Don't miss out on it. I'm really excited to put this video together for you guys. I think it's long overdue. But once I've completed the undecorating here in the family room, I'm going to move on to my dining room, and then I will move on to my den.
Life was dull until you came. I was breathless when we first met. Couldn't keep my hands away. I was speechless when we first met. Yeah, you took the pain away. Didn't mind my scars, then my broken heart. Life was dull until you came. Now I see in color.
My dogs are so funny. They are perfectly fine with the vacuum cleaner until I pull out the vacuum wand, and then they just go crazy. I don't know what it is, but they absolutely hate the vacuum wand. I love these little sweater pumpkins. I bought these this year from Joann Fabrics, and they are just so cute. But I was actually so impressed that Joann Fabrics had a lot of Christmas decor that they were putting out when I was there last. So I need to go back there again though, because I was not there to shop. I was just there to pick one item up, so it was just kind of a quick stop in, but they had a lot that they were putting out. I was quite surprised, so I definitely need to go back there and check them out. I thought I would mention that for anyone who's interested, but let me know where you guys get most of your Christmas decor from. What stores are your go-to stores for Christmas decor? I'm planning on doing another Christmas decor shop with me. If you missed the first one I did, I will have it linked down below. It was at the store at home, and they had so many, I mean pretty much any Christmas decor style you can think of, they had. But I would love to hear from you guys. What store would you prefer to see another shop with me video from? Let me know down in the comments.
Make me feel alive when you're with me. Took the pain away, didn't mind my scars and my broken heart. It could rain, I don't mind if it pours, 'cause I'm right next to you. Come rain or come
just a few more areas to undecorate, starting with the foyer. Then I will move on to my office and finally my kitchen. But as for the foyer, there is not a ton of decor, just the items from the vase and that lonely little pumpkin sitting on the table there. But I love those baskets under the table. I don't know why I never got around to putting something festive for fall in those baskets. They are a recent Target purchase. I got them back in early October, I think it was, and I was intending on putting something in those baskets, and the procrastinator in me, I just never got around to it. But stay tuned. Come Christmas time, I'm definitely putting something festive in those baskets. But I just love how they're so functional. You can not only store things in them, from books to shoes, but then you can hide the stored items by putting a throw or a pillow on top of them. I just love them. I decided I would attempt to reuse this cobweb. I'm not sure if it is reusable, but I'm going to try. I'm going to save it for next year, and I'm just going to store it in a Ziploc baggie with the bats and then put it in the bin with the other fall stuff. The candlesticks I'm going to move back to the fireplace where they originally were. These I got from Amazon recently, and I think they're a really good quality product for the price, and I'm planning to buy a second set so that I can put on the other side of the mantle. But once I finish dusting here, I'm going to move on to the kitchen.
I wish you knew what power you have over me, but now it's so hard to breathe. Just get me out of here. Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know one single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're...
As you can see, I don't have a ton of fall decor in my kitchen. I kept things very minimal, which is good because then I don't have a ton to put away. But I'm curious, when you guys decorate for Christmas, fall, whatever the season, do you usually put a lot of things out or just keep it very minimal? The black vase, I was debating whether to move that somewhere else, but ultimately decided I would just keep it on the island, at least for now, until Christmas decorating begins. Then I will probably find a new place for it. But I'm just going to take care of the dishes, which is a never-ending chore in our household. I'm going to empty the dishwasher and then I will fill it.
Can you see me shaking? Hear the sound of my heart breaking. Bless the soul that's aching, hoping I survive. The feeling lingers on every day of every month, wishing I just could forget about you. The weight upon my bones makes it harder to move on. Oh baby, don't think that I'll ever forgive myself for losing you, or for losing you. Left our love up on those dusty shelves. Can't forgive myself for losing you.
Here is my little helper Sadie helping me clean the dishes. I promise you these are dirty dishes. I would never let her near the clean dishes. In fact, the dogs are not even interested in the clean dishes. They are obsessed with dirty dishes, obviously because they smell the food on them. But whenever I'm filling the dishwasher with dirty dishes, I just think it's so funny that the dogs are like a magnet to the dishwasher and I cannot keep them away. But I just thought I would clarify that these are definitely dirty dishes. I would never let the dogs near the clean dishes.
The weight upon my bones makes it harder to move on. Oh baby, don't think that I'll ever forgive myself for losing you, or for losing you. Left our love up on those dusty shelves. Can't forgive myself for losing you. For losing you. For losing you.
That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you and I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new. But have a beautiful day and I will see you in my next video. Take care.